Yes, son, what are you looking at?
Oh, dude, I'm just letting my Tim Hortons coffee. Can't you see it, dude?
Oh, where, dude? Yeah, let me peep this, yo. Yo, I can't see anything, man.
Ah, dude, you just gotta put your shades on, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you... I can't see it, dude.
Ah, you got it, dude. Now you can start off, dude.
You can finish that, dude?
No, you can have it, dude.
Oh, where, dude?
Yeah, you can take a sip, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, zoom in on this.
So good, man.
Bring it back, yeah.
Bring it back. What's good, guys? Woo! Yo, turn it off, man. Yo, let's raise the volume.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Hey, man, we're back. And hey, this is Hella Hyphyed. Bruh, Hella Hyphyed. When's the last time you watched that? I don't know.
2 months ago, 3 months ago.
Man, it's been a minute.
Yeah,
but all I know is I haven't bought a pair of sneakers in 5 months.
Yeah,
or 6 months.
Yeah, but still okay.
But thank you to a very special donor.
Who do that, dude?
Thank you to Poetic Justice. This guy right over here. One of our brothers, man. He let us take a look at his Travis Scott lows. Oh, wait.
Is that what we got? I don't know, dude. What do we got? I don't know. But thanks, Poetic Justice.
Without further ado, you better hit that like button right down there. Subscribe if y'all haven't, and
I hit that notification bell.
oh yeah, man. Want to just put your hands out like that?
Okay.
Now, okay, think of a color right now. Say it out loud.
Blue.
Is it color blue?
Yeah.
All right, sing.
Yeah!
What you know? Yo, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, there's no one there. Alright, so we got the Air Force One low, Travis Scott, as per the box right over here. And look at this box, man. It's kind of dirty, but
Yeah.
if you could get past that dirtiness, it's all white. Except for the dirtiness, but it's all white except for the dirtiness.
Yeah. It says forced. What would you call this material here?
Vinyl, like the material they use on records.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you right.
It's white.
Yeah, white.
You got some white.
White.
We got some words. Oh wait, what's this?
There's some words.
Words are in white. Oh, knock. Hello. Oh, it's white.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That was quick, man.
Y'all ready for this? Oh, fuck, that's lame as hell.
Yeah, that's all good. That is it.
Yeah.
Does this signify anything, dude?
Oh,
Number
yeah.
8.
So we got here Travis Scott's social insurance number here.
My teeth brown because of the coffee or what?
Who's more browner? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, what are we comparing to?
We got here, alright. Oh, man, y'all, put your pants back up. I know you're basap, but hey, man, chill. Okay, alright, you can show it, dude.
Alright.
Look at that. So, about these Nike Air Force One, got here some interchangeable swooshes.
Interchangeable?
And,
But what did he change this on, dude? Like, what is it?
So, we got a bunch of these here because this Air Force One. Look at that, man. Yo, look at that. Yo, look at that. Now look at Jan, yo. Yeah, now look at me. Now back at Jan. Back at me. Now at the sneaker. Now at Jan. Now back at the sneaker. Yo, where'd it go?
Oh, Dad, where'd it go? I don't know.
Good thing you have a couple of these in your pockets. So,
Yo, I feel like you're gonna snap it.
it's a team effort. So if y'all trying to put these silver ones on, you need to get the homie, yo, Omar, can you come up? Hey, Antoine. Yeah. Who are these people?
Why are you all black though?
Okay, so they don't need to be.
Oh, you're right.
Antoine could be Antonio Banderas.
Oh.
You found your swoosh, you found your girl. You're back in business.
Yeah.
But low key, I would toss up an Adidas Velcro up in here. But you know, that's just me.
Yeah,
You know, I like to stir up the emotions.
Oh
of
yeah,
people
comment
that-
down below. What's better, Nike or Adidas?
Yeah. Anyways, look at this here. Official colorways that.
It's a the sail gum?
Sail gum and light brown. It's a gum bottom. I like that, man. Anything with like a rubber ground bottom is sick, you know?
Yo, dude, it's holographic, dude.
Ooh, it's a hollow back girl, dude.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yo, bring that ass here, bro.
Oh, yo, back it up, man. Back it up, dude. Yeah. Yo, y'all can get it, dude.
Oh.
We got these guys that are bumping AF, dude. Air Force Ones, normally they're just kind of like a different colorway, a different texture, you know what I mean? But these guys they're, damn.
It's plump, dude.
It's
plump.
It's a bit thick, dude.
Yeah,
You can get it, yeah. We got here a different, like, let's hit it with the grills first.
What? They got teeth on here, Dad?
Look at that. We got the bottom teeth, the top teeth. I like that. It's a little pop, you know?
Yeah.
It's kind of a little bit ratchet, you know? You got that. Aside from that, what's the next feature, my dudes?
Maybe let's move up, dude.
We got here the Cactus Jack logo.
Oh, it is.
As well as this Travis Scott logo right on the left foot and the right foot.
But is it removable, dude?
I mean, like, I wish it was, you know, sometimes I kind of want to have the Travis Scott on the right one, but I can't do that because unfortunately they didn't make it so you could interchange them. It just sucks.
Yeah, you're right.
Like, I wish they just had buttons where you could just, you know, take them out and change them, but they don't have anything like that, so it's whack as hell, dude.
It's hard,
yeah, man. The tags. It says Nike Air
Force.
Oh, Nike Air
Force One.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, dude.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, and y'all probably can't read it because it's upside down. That's correct. Y'all
Why is it upside down though?
Yo, it's because when you're wearing this, man, and you look down, you forget what you wear, and you need to know what you're reading, right? But you can't just like you don't
want to be like that. Yeah.
You know, so it's like lining up with your visuals perfectly, right? You look down. Oh, Nike Air Force Ones. I knew I was wearing them, you know. Bet. That's my line.
Oh.
Got here the laces. They're flat laces, you know, nice cream of the cob. Casuals, everything around me. Color. And we got some like 3M shimmery chrome lace tips on here.
It's like it's an armor, dude.
Yeah, I like that, dude. It's like
always use protection.
for sure, man. Yo, I like this, man. It's another 3M poppin' kind of. All around the sneaker here, we have here some lines. We got some lines over here, over here, down
over
that
there,
side, over here. Guess what? It's 3M. It's a cool feature, you know, just so, you know, when you're on your nighttime jogs, Air Force Ones, right? Perfect running sneaker, right?
Perfect.
Hey, man, There's a deer that's on the street and doesn't see you, right? So, like, you know, you have these 3M things, so that way, just in case, like, the light flashes and it's like, oh, the deer breaks and it's a good thing I saw those 3M, man. I couldn't hit you. Y'all good, man. The buck didn't fuck you up.
Yeah, thanks, Canella.
Can y'all read that?
Oh, what did they say, dude?
I don't know. I can't read it because it's upside down, but y'all can read it.
Yeah, you're right. Let me flip it. Nike Air, dude?
How cool is that, man?
Why, though?
He's switching it up, yo.
You know why? Like this. You'd be like, what am I wearing? Oh, Nike Air.
Yeah! You see that? Yeah. Y'all not ready for this, man. Y'all not... You're ready for this, man. Oh, this is lit. Peep this, dude. Yo! I just want to let y'all know I do like Nike, but man, hey, 3 stripes, yo, let's get it. We got a bunch of reflective swooshes, and y'all could just interchange them. The swoosh in this holographic fire. Yeah, man, these are some fuego flames, bro. That hot fire, that Miami heat on your feet. You know what I'm saying, man? Hey, you got that for the medial side and the lateral side. It could be, I don't know, backwards, man, but y'all know what it is. I'm not no fucking anthropologist, you know what I'm saying? We got here 2 other colorways. We got these in this kind of like, what?
Yeah, then you got this decal here. About it. Love the shoe already.
I love this sneaker so much, man.
Shit's plushy though. Like, you see this? You can squish it.
Yeah.
Ooh,
there's a Concord action here, man.
Yeah.
This red insole.
Oh yeah, it's red.
Nike Air and a black logo.
What's in white?
In white, it says Travis Scott. Oh, this way.
Oh
yeah. All in all, sexy sneaker. I'm a fan of this.
Wait, dude, I got a question, dude.
What's up?
Is it true to size then?
Y'all want to wear true to size if you want that kind of looser fit, right? It is like a typical Air Force One style sneaker. Regardless of that plush inside, man, it's gonna be a bit loose if you get a 9 in your size 9. Go half a size down if you want that secure type fit, you know, like the opposite of loose.
Yeah.
Right?
How much they cost though, dude?
These ones here, I think they were costing about $150 American, which is like about 200 Canadian dollars. And these guys here released in
Spring, summer?
August 10. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. What? Okay.
Lester.
Hey, I just want to give a big shout out to Poetic Justice, man. Thanks for letting us your sneakers. Y'all don't know who he is? Putting Winnipeg on a map. This guy over here, big shot, all right? No Kendrick Lamar,
Big shot,
man.
dude.
Poetic Justice, all right?
Big
Now,
shot.
he just came out here with the music video shot by... What's up, bitch?
Don't see the show to the public eye. Do or die mentality battles.
Make sure you look at the links down there below.
Hey, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, please hit that like button. It's been a while, you know what I'm
It's
saying?
been a minute, man. Subscribe right down there if y'all want to see more content like this and content that's not like this, because we post a bunch of shit. All right?
Yeah, and I love how y'all love to watch this shit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, hit those notification bells, you know what I'm saying?
I got OPA in my motherfucking vein, yo. I got Oka played in my motherfucking head, yo. And my enemies, and they gon' bleed to death, yo. Wrist underwater and my chain on some Satan, yo. Not gonna catch any killing myself. Let me know what the weather for my